Many Poco X5 Pro users are facing hardware and software problems on the phone. This video is about a touch problem that was faced by a user, and in this video I'll tell you how and why this problem is happening and what's the solution for this. In this video shared by a Poco X5 Pro user, you can clearly see how the display and the touchscreen is not working in some areas. This is clear from how the lines are not appearing properly on the display whenever the finger is moving over the screen. Keep watching this video to know whether this problem is present in all Poco X5 Pro or not. So for all touchscreen devices, there are two layers on top of the display. The first one is a digitizer that is just above the display, and then above that there is a glass layer to protect it. So whenever you are touching on the phones or any other touchscreen, the glass is taking your touch and it's getting transferred to the digitizer. The digitizer is finding the locations where you are touching, and then it is sending to the processor of the phone or the device that you are touching, and then the result is shown in the display. If there is something wrong with the digitizer or the processor of the device, then the touchscreen will not work the way you are touching it. As Poco X5 Pro is having Snapdragon 778, which is a good processor, let's assume that the problem is because of the digitizer that's used in the phone. So most probably from the factory side, there was some issue with the digitizer that was connected to this phone, and because of that, the display is having this touch problem. The only solution available to any Poco X5 Pro user for this problem is going to the service center, showing this problem to the people there and getting a replacement. This can be a problem with a certain batch of Poco X5 Pros, especially sold in India. So I'll suggest everyone to download a display tester app from Play Store and check your Poco X5 Pro's display and touch response. Apart from this, some Poco X5 Pros are also facing motherboard issues. You can watch this video to learn more about it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.